What's going on, guys? Dan Kale here from Liquidation Pros, and today I'm going to be opening up a Adidas soccer haul. This pallet here that I just got in now. In the middle, if you've watched my previous video, we sorted out a bunch of Target clothing. That's all over there. There's some here, there's some there. This just came in on top of all that. So right now I'm trying to sell clothing in bulk to local customers that I have, and then I'm eventually going to probably do a warehouse sale. I thought about doing like a reseller box lot, like a mystery box, and mixing it all up. I just don't think there's enough money in there based on some of the items I've been looking up. They're not selling great. So I'd rather just try to sell it locally and not put that burden on anyone through social media, Instagram, YouTube, what have you. But the one thing I could do is these, which do sell really good, I could do a mystery lot on. So these are all Adidas brand new soccer jerseys. Grab my knife real quick. And there's also some shorts. My goal with these is they basically sell anywhere from around $30 to $60 online. And I'm going to be wholesaling them out. So here's an example of one. There's a brand new, it's FC Dallas. It's got the stitched, everything's embroidered. Obviously there is some regular like iron on, but some of it's stitched. Super high quality, authentic, 100% authentic. And there's the skew on that one. That's a size large. So that is the Dallas. There is LA Galaxy in here. I do have LA Galaxy shorts, but that's going to be separate. So you see Galaxy jerseys. There's around, geez, hold on one second. I just counted up. All right, so there's just over 600 jerseys here, plus a few shorts, a box or two of the shorts, and I paid $3,700 shipped for everything. So my thinking was I can wholesale them at 10 bucks a piece, which is still plenty of meat on the bone for people to make some money on that. So at 10 bucks a piece, that's right around $6,000. There'll be some shipping charges on top of that. Some, whether I put that onto the buyer or if I handle it, I'll probably have to charge shipping, but 10 jerseys would not, like one of these boxes here, pretty small size box. I mean, we're looking at 8 by 14 by 10 or something like that, roughly. That holds 20 jerseys, so it would be half the size of that. So 10 jerseys do not take up a lot of space. They're super, super thin. They're almost like a jersey, like t-shirt. These are on field, the types of jerseys that the team would wear. I believe they're the 2018-2019 season, or 2017-2018, I can't recall. I do think it's the 2018 season. Anyhow, some of the jerseys are still currently being used by players, and some are going to be, it's going to be it could be a different sponsor on it, or it could be a different style. So let's open another one up. And this one here. That looks like possibly a pair of the shorts. So the shorts are a little bit cheaper. I wasn't going to include that when I sell them in bulk, but I would wholesale some of the shorts off. So let me start sorting this out and see what I have here, and then I'll give you guys an update and show you what I have. And yeah, so anyhow, I'm super excited about this deal. I'm confident I can double my money by flipping it and wholesaling it, and I could probably do 4 to 5 times my money if I took the time to list everything, sell it, ship it. Some of these items I will not, like the shorts, I was thinking about selling those off separately to try to make a little bit extra profit. But if someone's interested, we can always talk about that. So anyhow, stay tuned. I'll show you guys what I got going on. And if it interests you, my email's down in the description. You can always shoot me an email, or another place if you want to go over to Instagram. If you're on Instagram, I'm at Liquidation Pros, and you can direct message me there. Let's go, baby. All right. A little bit later in the day, actually had dinner and a beer. So feeling pretty good. Excited about this now that I have it all sorted out. I'm going to show you guys what I have. Finish this video off and call it a night. So right here we have the Alaska Timbers, and they're mixed. Every case I have is mixed sizes, but you can see like brand new stitched Adidas, stitched logo. This one here happens to be size medium. I have two cases of this one, but they are mixed sizes. So I'm excited. And there also could be a different color too. So for instance, this is a white one. So there's white and green. This one's a small. So 2 cases that have to be sorted out. We have here is Impact. Oh, this is Montreal Impact. In general, I have noticed what happens to be a smaller size, though I was told it'd be mixed sizes. So yeah, here's a large. Look at that retail value, 90 bucks. Bam. Brand new, authentic jerseys. FC Dallas, which I showed you guys earlier. There could be 2 colors in here, but I just see the one. There's an extra large. Beautiful, perfect size. Love it, love it, love it, guys. Check this out. Woo. Cases upon jerseys. Those are all shorts. So here's what I'm thinking about doing. Let me show you the rest of the jerseys and I'll tell you. There's a 2XL Acura. What do we have here? We have the Columbus Crew. And then we have yellow too. Awesome. These are sick. $90 a piece, size large, stitched. And that's the iron-on. So these are, I think, oh, these are jerseys. Okay, so those are something else. Look, guys, this is one of the most popular jerseys on the internet for soccer. Look up this one jersey right here. Now all this does happen to be iron-on, but it's super high quality, and this is the field, this is on-field jersey. If you're looking this up and you can't find it, do the best you can with that code there. But also make sure you're looking up, look at this. This is LA. They only did this, I think, for a year or 2. That is very specific to this jersey. I have seen these sold for between anywhere from like 45 to 65, somewhere in that range. So lots of money to be had here. I plan to sell a few of these, but I am going to include those in this offer I'm getting ready to talk about. So we have those, we have the Columbus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different ones. And then this is the 6th one here. And I could actually get more of these if this goes well and you guys are happy with them. So this is the let's see, Minnesota United. So this is the Minnesota United. Very good smalls. We have mediums. We have. That there is a, which one's that one? That's a small. So different sizes. I am seeing a lot of smalls. So I know in this space, smalls are tougher, but with soccer jerseys, soccer players tend to be a little bit slimmer. Smalls and mediums do sell. You can look at the sold comps. But basically I have all these, and then these all here are the shorts. And once again, oh no, I have one more stack to show you. So all these here are another very popular brand, except for the last one, which is actually Montreal. But we have the Seattle Sounders. And what I loved about these is that Zoo Lily right on there in the front. Check this out, guys. Check this out, guys. Bam. Beautiful jersey. So I'm looking at basically wholesaling these. One case will fit 20 jerseys. My price is going to be around $200. So if you're interested, you would get a mix of everything here, except for the shorts. So you'll get a mix of all these jerseys. You'll get, 1 or 2 of each one. Some of you might get a little bit more because I have a lot more. Others you'll get less. Anyhow, you'll get 20 jerseys. I will not give you all the same size. I'll try to mix it up between everyone. And then on top of that, so for 20 jerseys, it'll be $200. So $10 a piece. Awesome deal. I mean, that's literally, these guys are selling for $40 to $50 a piece. But on top of that, to help with shipping, because you will have to pay for shipping, I will throw in 2 pairs of shorts. So you'll actually get 22 items. and you look at these LA Galaxy on-field custom shorts, Adidas, authentic, and check this out. One pair of shorts is $55. So you're looking at over $1,200 worth of stuff. It's crazy how cheap this is, but I got it for cheap enough that I can do that. So if you're interested, I could sell all this online and make a killing, but if you see how much stuff I have, take a look at the warehouse right now. So the entire rack up there is mine. All of this is mine. And this isn't even my warehouse, so I'm paying for rent. I need to clear this stuff out within a week or two. So what's going to happen is I am going to put this up on YouTube, Instagram. If you're interested, my email is down in the comments. Shoot me an email or go over to Instagram, Liquidation Pros. Shoot me a message in there and DM, or click on the link because I will be posting this on Instagram as well. So if you're interested in buying, let me know. I think for most of the people that watch me, since I am a reseller, you're into the reselling game, and you know that like this type of quality jersey, you don't see this very often. Like if you saw a brand new case packed Adidas jersey at the thrift store for $10, you would buy it. So why not buy 20 of them for $200? These shorts will definitely cover your shipping. My price, I was going to sell those for $24.95 on eBay. So right there is a good portion of your money back. You can check out this brand here. There's another one, I think, that's supposed to be YouTube. Where's the YouTube TV? Is that this one over here? That's Acura. Oh, here's one of them. There's only a few of these, but I was going to probably keep these to give away to some of my fellow YouTube friends. Shoot these out. I think it's pretty cool if you wore that, like, while you're doing videos, YouTube TV. Anyhow, that's what I'm up to. Over 3,000, what did I say, 30 some $100 worth of jerseys here. I've been buying so much I can't keep track of what I'm spending, but a lot of money here. If you're interested, I'm willing on this deal to kind of flip it. And the other thing is I can actually order more. So I'm making around $2 to $3 per jersey. So it's not crazy money, but I can make $30 to $40 if I put them all online and sit there and wait for every sale to come in. I would rather spread the love, mix it up, do some like variety mystery boxes. If you're interested in that, the link will be down in the description. Shoot me a message and we'll go from there. So I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.